Hey friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic which is RACI matrix. In this video, we'll understand what is RACI matrix or RACI chart, how to create RACI matrix or RACI chart. For that, we'll have a detailed look on an example of RACI matrix, how RACI is used in project management. We are already working in VUCA environment and we are working on a lot of projects. So a lot of complexity is increasing day by day. So one of the best solution is RACI, because RACI can bring the clarity in your function and in your processes when you're working on any task or any project. So let's get started. RACI matrix or RACI chart is one of the simplest project management tool for planning and communicating your project. RACI matrix defines and documents project roles and responsibilities. RACI matrix is also known as responsibility assignment matrix. In easy words, if you want to define each member's role in a project, then you can use a RACI matrix to make your life easy. RACI is an acronym derived from 4 key responsibilities that stakeholders might play in any project. So R in RACI stands for responsible, A in RACI stands for accountable, C in RACI stands for consulted, and I stands for informed. In RACI, R is responsible. He is the person who is assigned to do the work and they are responsible for getting the work done. Always remember that we can have more than one R in a project. That's because sometimes the responsible individual will need support from another person to finish the task. So in that case, we can mark more than one person as responsible. We'll see this in our example of RACI matrix in the next slide. Next, A stands for accountable in RACI. He is the person who takes the final decision and has ultimate ownership. Please keep in mind that there must be one accountable person rather than a group in order to avoid confusion. I stands for informed. He is a person or group who must be informed about the decision or action taken. These are persons who will be affected by the outcome of tasks, so they need to be updated regarding that. C is consulted. This person must be consulted before any action is taken, as he provides the useful information to complete the task. And there will be two-way communication between those responsible and those consulted. And mostly, he is a subject matter expert. Now let's see how to create RACI matrix or RACI chart. Here is an example of RACI matrix, and in this example of RACI matrix you can see all the processes are listed in rows and different functions or roles are listed in columns. And the cells of RACI matrix is filled up by identifying the acronym RACI, that means who has the responsibility and accountability and who will be consulted and informed for each process. So just by glancing at this RACI matrix or RACI chart, you can identify who is doing what in the project. Now let's start deeper into understanding this example of RACI matrix. So the first process is project planning, and in the project planning we need different functions. So the project owner will be accountable, which is shown with A. Business subject matter expert and business analyst will be consulted, which is shown with C. Project manager will be responsible for completion of any task, which is shown with R, and software engineer will be informed, which is shown with I. Likewise, in the project initiation phase, project owner will be accountable, business SME and business analyst will be consulted, project manager will be responsible, and software engineer will be informed. In the solution design process, project owner, business SME and project manager will be informed, business analyst will be consulted, and software engineer will be responsible. So we can figure out different roles for different processes and create this RACI matrix. One thing which we have observed in this example is that we have only one accountable person in every process. So keep in mind that we will have only one accountable person in any process. RACI can be a different level, a different type, and it should be flexible, or you can say RACI can have sub-RACI. As here you can see the project initiation phase which we described in a previous example. In the similar way, the way we created the previous RACI matrix, we will create the RACI matrix for the project initiation phase. As this is a big process, so we can drill down it in sub-steps using RACI matrix to understand more clearly about sub-processes and roles. So for the process, define project purpose. Project manager will be responsible, project sponsor will be accountable, project analyst will be consulted, and technical specialist will be informed. Likewise, for the implementation approach, project manager will be accountable, project sponsor will be consulted, project analyst will be responsible, and technical specialist will again be consulted. So this is the overall mapping, so you can go at any level with respect to required if you really want to have the smooth and right communication in your project. Just again to ensure that if you're clear about RACI matrix, I would like to remind you about the RACI triangle, which tells you who is responsible and accountable and who is consulted and who is informed. And add on to that, we have some philosophies that what that person might be thinking about his roles. But before moving forward, just a quick reminder for you guys that you please do like, comment and share our video and subscribe our channel Learn Transformation, and also please tell us in the comment section that are you using RACI matrix already or will you start using it from now. So RACI triangle is very important, which generally tells what are the feelings, expressions and impressions of a responsible, accountable, consulted and informed person. For example, consulted. At this stage, the person will think that he will have to explain that what was his learning and how he overcame his pain areas with his learning. So at the end, it will tell who is going to work who to have better communication, collaboration and teamwork, resulting in successful outcome. And this will avoid any type of conflicts. So that was all about RACI matrix. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos on such interesting topics about lean, digital, Six Sigma, supply chain, leadership. And you can also catch us on other social media handles like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Till then, be safe and do take care of yourself.